Alright, YouTubians, check this out. Quick little tip of the day. Sometimes I amaze myself. So this is a little fast wireless charger phone mount, right? Comes with a vent clip. There's no vents in the Bug. Well, I mean, there are on the very, very top defrost. And you got this ghetto, crappy, it's not even a suction cup, it's just like the cup is sticky. And this thing just puts the whole thing out from the car, just from the windshield so far. It's ridiculous. I mean, the thing sticks out a good 4 or 5 inches off the windshield, and you got the windshield only 6 inches in front of your face. Kind of puts the phone about an inch from your face. Alright, I'm exaggerating. Check this out, though. I had an epiphany. So here's my epiphany. Let's go to the car. Alright. So, I use a RAM mount that I put there. That's currently what I use for my phone. I don't have the heater controls. That is just a little vacuum plug that I cut down, stuck in the hole, right? Boom, pretty cool, right? Yeah, wait till you see this. So I kept playing around with a little wireless charger for my cell phone. And I was like, man, how am I gonna make this work in the Bug? I mean, I kid you not. That thing stuck out like that far, at least. I mean, that's just not acceptable. Looked tacky. So I decided, I wonder if that fits in there. It's pretty snug. Look at that, that's pretty snug. Hold on a sec. I'm moving more than the camera is. Sorry guys, I shake, I can't help it. Now I do have a pile of crap in there, but I also have a dual USB charger. So the cable just comes right out. Let's check this thing out, huh? Alright. So with it plugged in, let's turn on the ignition. See a little blinky blinky over there. Check this out, it senses your phone. Huh? You gotta be kidding me. Let's try it. Come on. What? It broke already. Whatever. Seriously. Check that out. Oh, look at that. Got text messages. Whatever. It's somewhere over there. There it is. What? Now that is pretty slick. I am now charging, and it's a convenient place to hold the phone. Let's see if I can hold this still. See the skull in the reflection, that's awesome. Really doesn't move that much. Guys, I think I'm going to take this for a whirl, see how it does. Comment below and let me know what kind of stuff you use to charge your phone, hold your phone, or whatever when you're driving around in your old Volkswagen. Alright, y'all. Till the next one, be good.